Hey everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2022 BMW 430i M Sport Convertible. This vehicle has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. You have an 8-speed automatic transmission, BMW iDrive 7. Seems like it's kind of simplified in this one a little bit. Digital gauge cluster, of course, paddle shifters, reverse camera, parking sensors. And then you can open the top like so. So let's walk around this BMW. This is a nice one. It's finished in Brooklyn gray and it's an M Sport. Not very common spec right here. A Brooklyn gray M Sport 430i convertible. Nice wheels. Brooklyn gray is a very nice color. Dual outlet exhaust. And here are the rear seats. You also have cup holders and AC vents in the back. A little bit hard to fit back there if you're a taller adult, but children and smaller adults should fit back there just fine. Let's close the roof for the drive so we don't have a bunch of wind noise. Just wanted to show you all what the convertible top operation looks like with this car. So you just hold the button. Once you're done, the seatbelt delivery arm will give you the belt. Put it on and get out on the road. Oh dang, it looks like this iDrive isn't touchscreen. That's a new one. I didn't even know they made iDrive 7 with that touchscreen. I guess this one has a more simplified infotainment. That's crazy, I did not know that at all. So you have to use your iDrive controller in this car. So you can get the 430i convertible, M440i convertible, or an M4 convertible. Those are your 4 Series convertible options. Nice and smooth drive, like any other BMW. Quick response from the transmission. Standard BMW drive right here, nothing new. Yeah, this one, the 430i, I mean, this one's not obviously the fastest one. As I mentioned, it's more so, this one's more so for like a more comfortable daily driving vehicle, and also you can let the top down and have a stylish looking car, especially this spec with Brooklyn gray, pretty popular color for BMW customers. put in Eco Pro mode, your gauges will become blue. And obviously it's focused more on fuel economy, preserving power. Put it in the normal mode, your gauges will become orange again. And you are able, this is the basic sound system, but you can get Harman Kardon. It does confuse me though. I made some videos on some M Sport BMWs recently, how even M Performance or M Sport BMWs don't come with Harman Kardon. I personally think that should be a standard option. I don't know why you get a base sound system in BMWs with M Sport, M Performance, or M Performance. I think the only BMWs that come standard with Harman Kardon basically are like full M cars. To be honest, the Harman Kardon system isn't even that good. I have it in my G80 M3 and I'm not very impressed with it. I think the Bowers & Wilkins is the best one that BMW offers. Some of them don't even have Bowers & Wilkins as an option. Overall nice car. Feels great handling, steering feel, good acceleration. You're not ever going to be surprised when you drive a BMW. They all feel great. BMWs are the best driving vehicles for sure. The ultimate driving machine, as they call it. BMW has a great characteristic of having consistency across all their vehicles, and that consistency is having a good driving experience, whether you get a basic BMW or a M vehicle with 600 horsepower. You're going to get a good driving experience no matter what BMW you're in. Like BMWs, just the way they drive, they feel a certain way, which a lot of cars can't really replicate. And a lot of brands, all their vehicles drive differently, but not in BMW. All of them feel similar in some kind of way. You know it's from the same brand, which is hard to achieve. Yeah, so here's the camera again, if you guys want to look at that, and then your sensors start going close to something, it'll start beeping. Or not beeping, but it'll like show the color in the proximity zone. But overall, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Droove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for brand new, certified pre-owned, or pre-owned BMW cars.